and thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to be making deviled eggs with seaweed pearls. Yep, totally vegan, vegetarian. This is what it is. These are gourmet seaweed pearls made out of ocean kelp, and they are totally natural, processed kelp with flavors and a little bit of oil formed to make a vegetarian caviar. And they have all the flavor and the brine of the sea, just like caviar does, except for those of you who don't like to eat proteins and meat and fish. This is for you. And thanks a lot to Duke's Gourmet for providing this in order for me to make this recipe. So let's go ahead and show you what the ingredients are going to take. Alright, the ingredients that we're going to utilize for this fantastic dish are obviously hard-boiled eggs that we've got here. We've got some mayonnaise, chopped flat leaf parsley. We have some ground Bottarga borealis from Skray. That's the Norwegian cod. And thanks to Bottarga borealis for sending me that via Duke's Gourmet. That is always a delicious addition to any recipe. We've got the seaweed pearls here, and we've got 1 teaspoon of hot Spanish paprika, 1 teaspoon of celery seed, 1 teaspoon of ground mustard, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of salt. Now, the beauty of this ingredient here, this is going to be used as a garnish. It is very, very high in vitamin C, iron, B12, and antioxidants. So actually this is a very, very good thing to eat, and I am looking forward to trying it. So let's go ahead and put this together. Okay, so now here we have all the egg yolks plus 1 egg white chopped up finely, and to that we're going to add the flat leaf parsley, the ground Bottarga grated, the spices, and the mayonnaise. We may need some more mayonnaise. We'll just have to see here once we get this all combined. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and combine this. You can see how we're mashing it down. I can already tell we're going to need a little bit more mayonnaise. So I'll go in the fridge and get that, and join me in a little bit. Right, added another 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and this is just right. So let me go ahead and finish mixing this up, and let's go ahead and fill our eggs. We've got our egg halves here. Let's go ahead and start scooping in the insides. Now that is some delicious filling. That Bottarga just does something amazingly incredible to this. The combination of ingredients just is beautiful. Almost gives it a bacony like flavor. Oh, okay, so let's go ahead and garnish. Let's go ahead and put some of these seafood pearls on it. Okay. Oh, look how pretty. And these taste fabulous, people. Never had them before until today, and I'll tell you what, I'm going to buy them regularly. And there you go. Deviled eggs with seaweed pearls. Absolute deliciousness. Thanks for watching, people, and thank you, Duke's Gourmet and Bottarga borealis. This is fantastic.